the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, America's oldest state university, a place of history and tradition. Here, the best and the brightest, many of whom will become state and industry leaders, begin their journey. But beyond these hallowed halls and stately landmarks are other bright minds that long for the Carolina experience. Some face difficult obstacles or unexpected life changes that prevent them from pursuing a traditional college education. Others may have college degrees, but seek new learning opportunities. These are our non-traditional students, and they too have a home on the UNC campus. The William and Ida Friday Center for Continuing Education opened its doors to non-traditional students in 1991, but the story began much earlier. Nearly a century ago, UNC's Bureau of Extension was established with the goal of making the university's resources available to North Carolina citizens. Today, that tradition continues with students across the globe enrolled in an extensive portfolio of distance education courses. The Friday Center's credit programs for part-time students has given thousands of non-traditional students the opportunity to earn academic credit towards a variety of goals. This means that students like Stephanie Henry can continue working towards their degrees even when unexpected, tragic events like 9/11 interrupt their college careers.
2001, I was a senior at Chapel Hill, and I was called up to active duty after September 11th. I was sent to Fort Bragg for a year, but I had to withdraw from college, so I wasn't able to finish my senior year.
Not wanting to abandon her education, Stephanie completed 5 courses through the Friday Center while on active duty. She returned to the UNC campus in the summer of 2008 to complete her degree. The center's work is not limited to those pursuing a degree. Professional development and enrichment programs also change lives in small and not-so-subtle ways. Consider the story of Anita Woodley, who signed up for an evening writing course in the Friday Center's Community Classroom series.
In my profession as a journalist, I was feeling as if there was something missing. I was turning in my assignments, writing things, but still not feeling very confident once the paper left my hand. And then I saw the ad for Writing Your Life, and I said, oh, this is a great start. If I can start with writing my own life and figuring out how to put that into words, maybe that confidence will boil over into my job. And that's exactly what happened.
Whether from a distance or on-site, the Friday Center's credit programs for part-time students, in addition to professional development and enrichment programs, offer a rich learning experience for all kinds of non-traditional students every year. Many others are inspired by the educational conferences offered through the Friday Center's conference services. Joan Black, for example, was charged with planning a conference for deaf and blind attendees. As a hearing-impaired person herself, Joan was determined to make it work.
We had to be 100% accessible because to have all of those people together in one conference so all could hear and understand in every session is quite something. But the Friday Center helped us achieve our goal of education of the community, and we showed that accessibility can be achieved for people with hearing loss at any conference.
From a young woman called to serve her country, to an experienced professional looking for ways to jumpstart her career, to a determined conference planner with a unique audience of learners. The Friday Center serves each of these needs in a time-honored tradition of academic excellence. Often called a gem on the UNC campus, the Friday Center is a cherished university tradition, offering all students, regardless of their circumstances, an opportunity to realize their life's purpose and achieve their dreams.